everyone, this is Pete from Abstract Ocean. Today we're going to install our HD blind spot mirrors. They'll work for any car, but since the Tesla blind spot detection is a little different to most cars, we like to have these as an optional backup. Very easy to install. We're going to give this a 1. You just need a couple of minutes of time and the blind spot kit.
Hey everyone, it's Pete from Abstract Ocean. Today we're going to install our blind spot mirrors on a Model 3. You know, Teslas are the best cars in the world, but their blind spot detection kind of sucks. So this is just a $10 manual alternative that kind of covers all the bases. Pretty easy. Let's open them up. So inside you have 2 mirrors. You can see on the back the 3M tape that holds them on. And then a couple of alcohol prep pads just to clean the glass where you're going to put them on. So we're going to do that real quick. It's kind of personal preference where you want to put them. I always put them in this bottom corner, just kind of into the arc of the mirror, but it's up to you. Anyway, just give it a good clean. Give it a second to dry. Okay. I think that's flushed away now. So, take one of them out. Here it is. Just peel off the adhesive backing. Trying to catch the red bit. Fingernails help. There we go. This will grip pretty good, so kind of hover over it and get the positioning how you want it. Sort of into the corner. And then when you're happy, just kind of let it rest there. Make sure you're still happy. And if you are, just apply some firm pressure all the way around. Kind of hold the other side of the mirror just to stop it deflecting as you do that. It doesn't need much really, there's no weight on it. Okay, and that is about it really. Just a nice, cheap and cheerful blind spot mirror.
And it looks very sleek.
Yep. Kind of very low profile, so it kind of looks as factory as you can get without actually having one from the factory.